Hey there, it's the 13th of September 2021 and we'll get to Chanthu in a moment, but let's start off with Nicolas in the Gulf of Mexico. We now have Tropical Storm Nicholas, which is now moving north towards the Texas coast. National Hurricane Center forecast it to be a strong tropical storm when it makes center landfall on the coast. Very high rainfall amounts are forecast over a large area with 10 to 15 inches along this 5-day total rainfall plot. Landfall of the center simulated by hurricane warp occurs overnight Monday, Tuesday. Nicholas has shown some improvement in structure with a tight wrapping, partially formed eye in the radar imagery here, and the National Hurricane Center have not ruled out the possibility that this could intensify into a hurricane prior to landfall, so please keep posted to the National Hurricane Center for the latest information. While Larry may be gone, Larry's legacy remains in the Atlantic with a large, long plume of cold waters that have upwelled / been rained on and cooled down. But the interesting thing is that you can see them also in the clouds here as a little patch of clearing, and also in the chlorophyll. We'll be keeping an eye on. You can see a slight signature here in the chlorophyll, and maybe we'll get some plankton blooms that we can look at. So a first ever plankton bloom alert. We'll keep you posted. Over equatorial West Africa, we're keeping an eye on these easterly waves. We've got this big one dumping a load of rain in Nigeria, and then another one closer to the African west coast, and some of these have some potential for tropical development over the Atlantic. For example, the ECMWF here shows the first one trundling off westward and becoming perhaps a tropical storm, and the second one pummeling up through the Cape Verde Islands and heading more in a northwesterly direction. Typhoon Chanthu went past Taiwan in an amazing passage, just maintaining its center core off the east coast with some funneling possibly next to the terrain. In any case, it got past the island, and we actually got lucky with a Sentinel-2 pass with providing a really detailed view of the slightly cloudy eye. Chanthu is now close to the Chinese coast, but wow, this is an unpredictable storm, and check it out, it actually does a loop-de-loop in the ocean there before heading up and potentially coming up in my direction, because I'm in Sapporo right now, bringing heavy rain into northern Japan. We did have some thunderstorms here yesterday, including this one coming in and striking our hotel, and also during the night it got windy with a wind gust of about 100 kilometers an hour. Reported in Sapporo, I was woken up, and it was associated with this low pressure system moving in, which was a curious one for sure. Kind of took me by surprise. Anyway, on that note, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.